This is all you need to know about 55H Plus Paris and the soap and the serum.
So I'm just going to show you how it looks like. This is this cream. Though it's not this watery, I added a serum to it, okay? I added the serum, and that's why is this watery. Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. I am Victoria Vic, and if this is your first time of visiting, you're super welcome. This channel is all about products reviewing. We take products that work, and we also talk about relationship matters, and we also talk about things that concerns women. Today I'm having with me here 55H Plus Paris and the soap, and also I think I have about two of it. Like this is also 55H Plus. I'm just gonna bring the both these products for you all to see. It's not this watery, okay? I added the serum, and that's why is this watery. So this is 55H Plus, okay? So a lot of you are going to be asking, does this cream whiten the skin? Can I use it to fair? Can I use it to bleach? Can I use it to, will it make me dark? And so on and so forth. That's what I'm going to be answering in this review, okay? One thing I noticed about this cream is this. Number one is it has a lot of fake in the market. Yeah, it has a lot of fake in the market. I figured out that the company have stopped producing the original cream, so most of the ones you're gonna see right now in the market is not original, though it still works. In as much as it's not the original, it still does the same work like the other one. But when I use this cream, this is my honest review, and this is what I noticed on my skin. The first thing this cream does is that it repairs your skin, because this is what you're going to see here is Harmonia Reparateur. It's a French write-up, okay? So I may not pronounce it the right way, but this is written here on this Harmonie Reparateur. It means that this repairs the skin. Okay, what I mean by repairs the skin is that if you have an unbalanced skin tone, like maybe some part of your body is dark and some is fair, if you use this cream, it's going to balance your skin tone and really make it look superb and make it look very nice. This is going to balance your skin tone, okay? And the next thing you're going to expect when using this cream is that you are not going to get fair. This cream at all does not make someone fair. I am telling you, it does not whiten the skin. Forget the white up. I ended up using about 2 containers of it, and I was not like very dark, but I was still dark. So it doesn't whiten the skin at all. That is, if you're looking for a whitening cream, this 55H Plus may not be the right one for you. But if you need a cream that's gonna retain your skin tone, that's going to retain your skin tone and and balance your skin complexion, then this cream is the right one for you, okay? So it is written multi-vitamin lightening lotion with carrot oil. I don't know why a lot of people feel it's gonna lighten the skin. Naturally, carrot oil does not really lighten the skin. Pawpaw oil is what lightens the skin. So 55H Plus does not make you fair, and it just repairs your skin. For those of us who are chocolate skin, and for those of us who love our skin tone and does not want to whiten, but we just want to repair our skin, and we just want to make our skin look really beautiful, then this cream is the right one to use. So this is how this cream is, okay? This is it. You see, it's very nice. It's the cream really moisturizes the skin, okay? It's very nice for moisturizing, it's very nice for repairing of the skin, but does not whiten the skin. For those of us who are looking for whitening body cream, this is not the right one. But what you're going to expect is that it will repair your skin, it will make your skin look uniform. If you're fair, it's going to retain your fairness and make it pop. If you're fair, it's going to make it pop, and if you're dark, it's just going to make your dark uniform and pop up, so and look really really attractive. And then the soap, let's talk about the soap. The soap, honestly, I do not see what the soap does on the skin. I'm sorry to say this, but I've used, just look at, this is the second carton, and this is the remaining part of the soap. You can see I've used it to this level. I was darker, so I wanted a little shade lighter, like just lighter a little compared to how I was. So this soap did not lighten me, and the cream did not lighten me. It just repaired my skin, and the people who have been using it I've not really seen anybody that the cream whiten. It's all just repairing of the skin. So this review is for those of us who have caramel skin and they are looking for the right products to use. You can try this 55H plus. If you're fair and you just want to retain your skin tone and repair it, remove every form of knuckles, blemishes, and lots of hyperpigmentation, this cream will be the right one to get for yourself. This is 55H plus Paris, and it's very beautiful for rejuvenating, blending, and repairing of the skin. So that's all about this. Some persons are gonna ask, how do you spot the original of this cream? The original is written this way. It has this red right up, and in this place, Harmony, where they write this Harmony Reparator, the original have the Harmony Reparator written in red color, and here too is written in red. Harmony Reparator is written in red color. Like I said, there are lots of fake in the market. The company has really stopped producing this cream, so what you're going to get right now may not be the original products. Okay, but if you can be able to get the original, you can still try it out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the review. I hope it was honest enough. I hope we didn't waste much of your time. Please, if you love the channel, please tap the subscribe button and join this channel. I love you. Bye.